Facebook, happy Friday. This is the Financial Reboot Investment Team with the Friday weekend update. So, we haven't been on Facebook for a couple weeks. We've been trading like madmen. It's been a great market. It's been a great December. Hope you've all had a great December. Also, if you haven't, be sure to check out all the links on our Facebook page. We're here for you if you want us. Let's talk a little bit about the market. It's been a pretty good run up. The Dow still hasn't been able to get that 20K, and that's the big talk. And today's witching, so there's a lot of selling pressure on the market, a lot of downward pressure. Probably won't get it today. Maybe we'll get it in the next 2 weeks before the year end. The S&P, everything's kind of mushy right now. Even the VIX isn't signaling much of a sell-off. Really, this is just your witching contributing to it. Plus, you had a lot of big run-ups on stocks, and something, a little tip from us, we like to give tips to our viewers. Um, because Trump is, the big image of Trump is that he'll lower personal taxes and capital gains taxes next year. A lot of people aren't taking profits in December. They'll probably take them in January. That might be an opportunity. Maybe to go a little bit short in the market, maybe short in something that's had a big run up and you think people will be taking some profits off the table going forward. Look forward to that in January. You always want to get your plays in a little bit early. Don't wait to the last minute. Don't try to catch a falling knife. Don't try to catch a rising star. Better to be on the train before the last call. So let's take a look at something that we talked about the last time we were on Facebook. We had mentioned the short gold. Next pop, short gold. That was our exact statement. And it turned out true. I mean, gold's down to 1100 right now. It's having a decent day today, but this is probably a dead cat bounce. So be careful if you're bullish on it. Even over at Financial Reboot, we're kind of looking for it to find a bottom somewhere. When it does, we'll play it. If we see it falling off the cliff again, we'll play it again. Because we did make a little bit of money shorting gold in previous times. But we kind of stayed back. We were spectators on this one. Oil, we told you it was wait and see because that big OPEC meeting was coming around. And it turned out to be really good. They got the non-OPEC producers to participate in the cutbacks, and everything was good for oil. It popped over 50, and it's held over 50 very solidly. We played that. We made a little bit money on that. We're out of oil already. We took our money because it looks like it's just kind of stagnating right now. We'll wait for the next catalyst on it. That's the thing about gold right now. You got to remember, we just had a rate hike on Wednesday. The dollar's at just amazingly strong right now. Trump has just invigorated a lot of things that help the dollar, and interest rates and things like that. So there's just no catalyst for gold. We don't like to trade things unless there's some kind of catalyst. You have to have a reason to buy stocks, not just it's going to go up, or it's been down so long we're going to just buy it because it's got to go up sometime. Stocks don't have to do anything, okay? You got it. They need catalysts to move, and I want you guys to always remember that. Don't just buy to buy. So back to the U.S. market. It looks like we're actually picking up a little steam. Maybe we'll get a little rally into the end of the day, maybe not. But generally on Friday, especially on a witching day, which is options expiration, gets a little lethargic. Plus, too, we all got to remember that Christmas week is coming up next week. It's a short week. It's been a really busy week. Traders are tired. They want to start the weekend, so a lot of them don't come back from lunch, so you don't get a lot of volume in the later part of the day. But you never know. People might want to play some bets and things like that. It's kind of a little different of a market with this Trump rally. So, hey, Facebook, from the Financial Reboot Investment Team, Merry Christmas. But, as a Christmas gift, we usually don't share our inner really workings. But I want to share something with you about what we did with Bank of America. Bank of America, a few months back, you guys remember from the shows, we talked about how we foresaw this hike in December and it was going to bubble the stock. Back then it was $12, $14. Our first buy was these $16 strikes that expired today. We sold those into the rally yesterday for over 1,000% profit. That's how you do it. I mean, you were talking tens and tens of thousands of dollars for every account. Plus, we kept maybe 5 contracts, depending on how big an account was, and we got stock for $16. So not only did we make that big 1,000% profit on the contracts, we also got 500 shares of the stock at $16, which makes it up 27, 28% already. It's a strong dividend paying stock. What better than that? You know, that's a double dip and it's a double win. It's a win all around. If you're not doing this and you want to, you need to contact us. All the links are on the Facebook page. Everything. You can watch the videos if you want. We got new testimonials up talking to people that have stopped standing on the sideline and got in the game, and they got in the game with winners, which are Financial Reboot. So, hey, Facebook, one more time. Merry Christmas to everyone. It's been a great Christmas at Financial Reboot, and we absolutely hope you're having a fantastic Christmas also. Short week next week, so don't expect a lot from the market, but keep an eye on it. Remember, keep an eye on gold. We're looking for a bottom on it. You know, if we don't see it, we don't see it. That's the other thing. Facebook advice from us: don't play just to play. Okay, play to win. We'll talk to you soon, Facebook. Aloha.